Nonprofits, do you have trouble finding new donors? Do you find it challenging to build a pipeline of donors for your nonprofit? That's one of the most frequent questions I get from people who follow me weekly. So I want to share a quick tip on how to find new donors. And you know I focus my coaching and teachings on getting large gives. So here's one of my favorite strategies that works really well in finding new major donors. No matter the size of your community, you likely have some type of business-focused publication, electronic or print. Where I am, we have a statewide and citywide business publication. Those pieces are invaluable. They are a wealth of information. Each time a publication comes out in your geographic area, I want you to come through it from front to back, looking for nuggets of information. These articles are about the movers and shakers in our communities across our country. Businessmen and women who are making a difference in their communities are profiled weekly, monthly, and quarterly. The staff writers are giving you gold on the silver platter. Read the articles and find common dots to connect. They are there. Then write personal handwritten notes of congratulations to individuals in these articles. Let them know you saw their article and see that they are involved in helping X. They are passionate about Y. They are interested in Z. Share what your nonprofit does and how it aligns with their interest and passions. Do you see how this works? You have to want to stand out from the crowd. You want to get potential donors' attention. You want to draw in the right people. And this is one way to do that. Okay, one more thing to share. I did a free workshop last month and had such great conversations with fundraisers that I'm offering another free workshop, except this one is called How to Find Big Donors. I'm offering this workshop for 2 days only. So click the link provided so you don't miss out. It's interactive and a lot of fun. Not to mention, you walk away with some awesome tips and strategies. I hope to see you there.